Hello, traders. FS Speculator here. Today is Thursday, October 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpepcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the pound yen, I'm definitely still looking at this as a possible one, two, three, four, and I think we're gonna eventually go back up for a wave five. I believe we are in a wave four right now. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think it's very clear the first post down is the wave A. I think we are already in that A, B, C, or B, and I think eventually we'll be heading back down for the wave C. All part of an A, B, C of 4 before it goes back up and makes another attempt up for a wave 5. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily, I think this is very clearly an A. I think this is three waves of B. And looking at correlated pairs really helps us figure out this count. And I think that we're very likely still going up for a wave C of wave B, which I'm still targeting probably the 138, 123 for a most likely area for this to turn back to the downside. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely still an uptrend. No breaker structure to the downside yet, as you can see. So the trend is definitely still up on basically every single time frame. So I'm definitely still looking for logs, especially on shorter time frames. Heading right down to the 1 hour time frame. Looking at all correlated pairs, I actually think this could be like a running ABC right here. I think this is a downtrend over here for an A. I think this is a big three-way pattern up for a B. This does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. A break in this high right here I think will help confirm that this really is an ABC and that it really is heading back up like that. Otherwise, a break of this low right here will make it so that I stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. But until we get a breaker structure to the downside, which we definitely do not have yet, I am definitely only looking for longs, and I'm only looking to go long on three-way pullbacks on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.